Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I want to share with you these simple tutorials on how to get dark mode your YT Studio application. This is very easy tricks guys on how to turn on your dark mode theme, because most of our Android devices, they do not have dark theme on their cell phones. So first step, you will open your YT Studio application. Then if you see there's a white background, then we need to change that into dark mode theme. So you click your account here at the top and then go to settings. After you go to settings, click the appearance button so that your YT Studio now is on the dark mode theme. So I hope you enjoyed this video, the simple tutorials, and don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell icon so you cannot miss for my next video tutorials and entertainments. I am Elmer Suwan and creator of Mr. Vlog TV, and thank you so much. Bye guys.